Yeah. Just be careful of the crocodiles. Making sure fishing. Big up yourself. Epic day today, guys. We're pushing out with YouTuber Blackman, the traveler. We're gonna meet up with him in a little bit. But first I gotta run around and do a few things and like time cranking for him to get here and just meet up with him and go so guys. So stay tuned. Today's gonna be not your normal fishing day, but just an epic day moving around with Blackman and travel, doing some things and making some epic moves and doing some epic filming. So stay tuned for this adventure today, guys. Big up yourself. Thank all you guys for your support. Thank all you guys for everything. Bless up. One love. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Alright, here we go, people. The first thing I gotta do is meet up with DJ CK1. DJ CK1 got my new controller that just came down. I gotta pick that up. Stay tuned for that. And then after that, I'm gonna run in, meet up with Blackman, the traveler. Go so do so. Get him to his telly. Get him situated. Once I get him situated, then we go so and do so and make it back to the ends, and then we set off on the adventure. You understand? So stay tuned, guys. Outside. So guys, we're at Knockford. We just left out at the airport. We met up with CK. I got my new controller. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, there you go, right there. Just got it. And you know, man a DJ and selector for a long time on new controller and thing. You know what that means? Turn up again. So yeah, guys. So bless up. We're here meeting up with Blackman, the traveler. He should be coming out shortly. The bus just arrived. We're at the Knoxford Express. So big up yourselves, guys. Stay tuned.
Blackman the Traveller, and right now we're here in Montego Bay, yeah? Jerry, big YouTuber over here, guys. We need to grow together and work together. So I'm in Montego Bay, it's my first time in Jamaica. He's gonna take me around. Right now we're at these Juicy's Patties, and we're gonna be exploring some interesting spots here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. I'm lucky because I'm gonna get some exclusive content that no other foreigner or no other content creators. Guys, please support him, and also I'm gonna make a video with him as well, and I'm gonna put his social media in my description of my video. See you soon. So basically, I've got a Jamaican chicken patty with some coconut bread.
Cocoa bread.
Cocoa bread. Amazing.
Yo, boss, I'm munch up in Pattie, isn't it? Yeah, man. Outside, guys.
Only in Jamaica. Fresh organic food.
Hot, like fire.
But seasoned very well.
Yeah, man. That is it. Big up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing here. Not your normal fishing event, but we're here, we're on the river, we're here with Blackman the Traveler. And Blackman the Traveler is here in Jamaica, guys. And guess who he chose to link up with? Jamaican Shore Fishing. That is it. And him and him family there, guys. But we just make sure him start out, go up on them bamboo rafting, get them local vibes, the Jamaican vibes, feel the real Irie yard vibes in the nature.
Step up and step up.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. And the Mason, big up the Mason here, son. And Mason there's a rush me, so must move, you know, and wet me up with the cement and nasty up my pretty pants. Yeah, man, yeah. Respect, bro, yeah? Yo, hard working young man, guys. I want to see this, you know. Look here. I am do all of this. Look how neat. This is what he's using. He's doing this thing, guys. You see this, you know. Big him up. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Big up with local tradesman them. All I know, big up on yourself. I don't know how hard you work to reach one to reach. So, that's up on the thing. Guys, Blackman the Traveler coming in off his long bamboo raft. So he's just coming back in, guys. And trust me, guys, crazy vibes here. So that is it.
That was an amazing experience. Like, wow, we just enjoyed. I get to get some clay as well.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
Home.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
That's amazing.
Yes. Glad you enjoyed it.
Oh my god.
And welcome to my hometown, Jamaica.
Oh my god, like it was totally like perfect, and the way that they treat us, like the beauty of the nature, like just incredible.
Yeah.
I invite everyone to come.
That is it. All right.
One of the best experiences I've ever had in my life. And people need to understand that this is the real Jamaica that we need to promote. This is Jamaica that the people need to come and see. Not none of this garrison, poverty, war, you know, unrest, what everyone's promoting on YouTube.
Sure.
This is nothing but vibes, energy, and we're here with Gucci.
Yes, that's my new friend. That's my brother.
Yeah.
New brother, or a different mother. All right.
Where can they find
Guess
you?
what?
Where can they find you, man?
I'm from right here.
Okay. The
Yeah.
location.
Yeah, it's right in Liti village.
Yes. Liti St. James, right?
Liti, yeah, that's his,
All right.
this is his square. Yeah.
Fishing. Pick up yourself. Good morning, guys. Off to an exciting, epic adventure this morning. I'm going out with Blackman, the traveler, this morning, guys. Our main goal this morning: get Blackman hooked up on a fish he's never been fishing before. So let's get Blackman down the coast. We're not pulling out that much gears today, guys, because we're not going to go that heavy. We're not going to be out all day. We'll get him down the coast and see if we can get him hooked up on a jack or a barra this morning. All right, guys, stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. I'm gonna run a prank on Blackman this morning, though. We're gonna head down to this river. I want to hit the river up this morning, first of all, guys. I'm gonna take him down to my river spot, see if I can pick up a snook real quick, and then hit the barra spot up afterwards. I brought some bait with me, some drop line stuff, just in case that he's gonna do drop line fishing. It's strictly lure fishing I really came out to do today, but I set up for drop line just in case. So we're gonna go grab him at the hotel now, guys. I'm gonna give him a call and see if he's up and see what's up. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, 5:53 in the morning. I'm gonna run to his hotel and grab him right now, guys. But I hope he's not scared of crocodiles. I'm gonna see what's up this morning, guys. Bless up. Shore fishing here, guys. Big up yourself. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Just remember, guys, please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. But without further ado, guys, we finally grabbed him. We grabbed Blackman, the traveler, guys. He's gonna go out with me this morning. We're gonna hook up on something, and we're gonna hold something for him this morning, guys. And he's gonna hold something this morning because I brought a rod for him.
Yes.
I brought a whole setup for him. I brought bait.
Yes.
I brought everything. I even brought the scale and knife just in case he catches something. He's gonna gut the scale something. So stay tuned, guys. Blackman Travel is here
Super
with us.
excited. I've never done this before in my life, but let's hope it's going to be an amazing day, amazing experience. Jamaican shore fishing, and we're going to catch some fish that I've never ever seen before in the waters. He's going to educate me today, and hopefully it's going to be a very entertaining video. See you soon.
Alright, guys, you heard. So check you out in a bit. Alright, bless up. I want to see if we can pick up. You know my river spot already, guys. I don't really, you know, I don't give away the spot either. I don't share my spot with anybody. That's why I don't even want to show the road. So everybody, Blackman is here. We're gonna get him set up. We got the gears in the car, 2 rods, 2 guys, and we're gonna catch some fish. So we're gonna move up the line to different spots. We're not gonna stay down here. I'm just parking here. I'm set up. Blackman set up. We got our gears set up. I have a shad. He has another soft plastic. So we're gonna start off our casting lesson right here, because of the fact that I have a clear spot right here that the lure can run straight up to the banking without getting hitched on any trees. So how are you gonna cast this reel? You're not gonna throw a whole bunch of energy to cast across 10 foot. You're gonna do short casts until you know exactly how much strength you need to send it to the other side to run it back to you. So how this lure works, you want the lure to drop to the floor. Don't move it, let it drop straight to the floor, then you pop it off the floor to you. If there's debris in the water, 99.9% chance that lure is going to get hitched on it. If there's big debris laying on the floor of the water. If there's none, it just pop up over it, drop back down, pop up over it, drop back down.
Same thing.
And yeah, so you just take your time, you wind, pop the rod, wind, pop the rod, wind, pop the rod, and it'll just come into you. The fish will see it from a distance, run up on it. Once they run up on it, they think it's a bait fish or a smaller fish, because they're predators. All fish are predators. They'll think it's a fish, run and grab it, and the hook is waiting. And that put, yeah, You could have given it a little bit more strength than that. Yeah, to get it out further. But I mean, that's, like I said, yeah. Then you wind forward with your hand. Close the bail. Yeah, all right. They automatically close once you wind. You understand?
So next time I should put more power.
And then send it out a little bit further. Oh, this is full. The river is full. That's good. This is good. Yeah, when the river is full, that's good. That's good. That means the bigger fish are up under those bushes. So I cast from here, up here, down into those bushes right there, and I roll it back across, and I'll normally pick up a snook. So, like here, let me show you. Okay. There's some big snooks that roll through here, bro. See that accuracy? Let it drop. Pop it back off the floor again. You understand? Or I'll cast from this way and roll it this way across the bushes.
Oh, so change the
So,
angle.
yeah, so go down. Take your time. Yeah, take your time. Yeah. Just step down. Just take your time though. Don't rush. Take your time. Step down. Yeah, just be careful of the crocodile.
Hey, what? Oh, you filmed? Oh, you got me, bro.
Guys, I told you we was gonna get him, guys.
Oh. This guy used me as bait. No way, man.
We're at HQ. Me and Blackman came. We moved over from the river, guys, and the reason for that is because I'm gonna get him set up with some drop line rigs and some gears. But see, bait fish are feeding, jackfish is moving around. This is a good snook spot, by the way. I could send this bad boy as far as I want.
Look how far you see.
Yeah.
It's
So
like an L shape.
yeah, man. Just send it right out and just try to get that fish's attention. That's coming in hot. So anything sees this out there automatically thinks it's a bait fish when it's coming in. And so now you have room that you can put the bag down. You're good. And now you can swing, look, out into that direction and just work it back. Because there's snooks in here early in the morning, no, big snooks. And this is deep. Try not to drop nothing over there, yeah? This is at least 10 to 15 feet deep.
Yes.
Yes. So those little small fish that you see bubbling up right there, that's bait fish. And the big fish are eating the small fish. See it? Right there. So what I do, I just drop here. I drop on top of them and just run through the group of it. And if there's anything big enough that's going to see my lure, that's going to want it, they'll take it up. But I'm going to get you some bait on your line right now and drop line you.
Where's the spot that you mostly catch the best fish?
Right here. Right here. I've filled up that little cooler, emptied it and filled it back up again here.
That's it. Good for the day.
Yeah. Get your rig set up. And get your jackfish on here real quick. And this is more easier than what you were doing before. This is drop line fishing.
Hey, listen to me. This is way more easy.
Got Blackman set up. Madam rod, bait set. I see bait fish jumping in the water here. The water look good for kayaking today. Oh my God, bro. I'm sorry I didn't bring my kayak out. Oh yeah?
Put it back.
Put tension on the line now you. Oh, you got something. Wind up, wind it, wind it, wind it. Fish on. Fish on. Blackman got fish on. Fish on, wind it up. You feel him on there still?
Yeah.
You feel him wiggling? He's wiggling? He's wiggling?
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Come on, just wind, keep on winding. Don't stop. Don't stop. You got it. Blackman got something, guys. Yeah, guys, that is it. He got himself a wrenchy.
Hey.
Blackman.
Oh! Oh, man.
He just came off.
Oh.
Yo, it's all right, bro. Let's go.
Feeling
Yeah.
was so good.
Go back at it again.
Oh, man.
Let's go back at it again, bro. Let's go back at it. Let's bait up. Let's get some more bait on that line. Blackman got fish on, guys. Yeah, his first fish. Take your time, take your time, take your time. Don't worry about it. Don't rush it. You got a small snapper. We're going to put that one back. You made him come off again. You was too far from the edge. You gotta get. It's all right.
Okay.
Yeah, just calm down. It's all right.
Okay, okay.
Second one. Dude, I've lost 2, 3, 10 pounds fish in one day. So that's a small fish. Trust
Ask you a
me.
question. Why do I keep losing?
Because you was too close. You're not too close to the edge where you're lifting the fish. You gotta lift.
I gotta stand.
You gotta
somewhere
lift
here.
the fish up and bring the fish over. You drag the fish against a rock, and
then he
and look,
releases.
that clipped it off. That piece of metal.
Oh, okay.
So don't worry about it. It's all right. We're gonna throw that back anyways. Bring him in.
Come on. All these patrons, yeah. Ah.
He's on it. He's not on it. He was never on it. You just mistaken thinking he's on it. All right, this one we'll do for you. This one we'll do for you. This one we'll do for you. I'm gonna set that hook first for you.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna give it to you. Because what happened is, I think you're making a mistake. It's called a fisherman error, bro. It's all right. It happens. And you're making a mistake.
Look.
Oh shit! Pull him up. Lift him up. Oh, you got a grouper. Blackman got a grouper. Yes! Bring it over the water. Bring it over the water. That's a good fish.
Where's the camera at, man?
Your camera. What the hell?
Underneath it.
Let me get it. Let me get it.
Amigo! Amigo!
First fish. You
Amigo!
got yourself a strawberry grouper. Pull it over the water so it don't fall back in, so you can get it.
Amigo!
Yeah, guys, look at this pretty grouper.
Oh.
Blackman got himself a strawberry grouper. That's a good.
So I was
fish.
right. Was that right?
Yeah.
Oh!
He got it. And here we're mistaken thinking the fish got away. Yeah, guys, look.
What type of fish is this?
This is a strawberry grouper because all the strawberry spot. You see how pretty this fish is? This is a good eating. This is a grouper. Yeah, they eat real good. Yeah, this is a nice frying fish. Yeah.
Well, I'm happy.
Yep. They don't get much bigger than this though.
And have you caught one of these before many times?
Caught many times. They eat them, but they eat good. When you fry this up with a little bit of salt and pepper, bro, that's it. It's a wrap. Yeah, man. Look at this, guys. Look at that thumbnail. I got a thumbnail of you right now. That's crazy. Yo, dude, this is sick. Yo, people, tell you this. Blackman got his first fish. First day fishing, first time fishing, first fish. And that is...
Sure fishing, yeah?
And this is your third fish, technically, because you landed those two.
No, but this is my first one that's
on ground, on land. So
big up Jamaica shore fishing, yeah?
Yeah.
Jamaica shore fishing, man. One of the best fishing bloggers in Jamaica. Listen, support him. He helped me do this. We're gonna get more.
So we're gonna catch some more. Let's do it. Vamos. Pick up yourself, guys. As you see, epic video. We're here, me and Blackman, and we're gonna go up the line. We're gonna try to catch a barracuda now. Blackman over there, so take a little break. He'll be right back. And we're gonna link up and go down the line, guys, and see if we can catch a barra. Barra is the next level. So that's where we're gonna go next. Stay tuned.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun